everyone, this is Dr. Gosnell from Reshape Physical Therapy here in Winchester, Virginia. We're going to talk about core strengthening today and common errors and mistakes that you might see when you're performing your core strengthening. So the first is that we often see people when they try to do their core exercises that they end up pushing their belly outward and not bringing it inward, so in towards their spine when they're doing it. And what happens when you end up pushing your stomach outward is that you're actually putting that muscle on stretch and ends up being less efficient working, or it's not working. So for core strengthening, we recommend bringing belly button in towards your spine and not letting it go outward, okay? When you bring your belly button in towards your spine, another thing that can commonly happen is that you end up not breathing. So your diaphragm can help compensate for your abdominals when they're weak, and you end up not breathing. So the other thing besides bringing belly button to spine is practicing taking a deep breath in and then out while you're holding your abdominals and doing the exercise. So two things to focus on. The last one is when you're doing core strengthening is that you don't arch your back. So we see people, especially when they're doing leg movements, is that they will actually arch their back and their legs might be too low, or there's too much resistance that you can't keep a neutral spine when laying down to do the core exercise. So for those people, we usually recommend either going less weight or not lowering your legs as low. Just let some of the resistance off, or body weight, make it a little bit less by bringing your legs up. So let's go over this. We're going to do an exercise on our back. So on your back, first thing you want to do, belly button into spine. Be able to breathe. Then we end up doing exercise. We'll say dead bugs, okay? You're going to lower one leg and then come back up. Not letting your back arch when you go. Keeping belly button in and be able to breathe. And be able to set a pattern with that breathing to make it to where your diaphragm isn't compensating for you. So there are 3 tips to look out for when you're doing core strengthening to make sure that you're doing it right and you get a good burn in your core. If you have any comments or questions, shoot us a message below. Have a great day.